I recently did a series of shorts on feelings and emotions, what they are, why they matter, and what gets in the way of us being able to experience and express them fully. Today, I want to talk more about those barriers to feeling our emotions and start to explore some ways to overcome them. Welcome, my name is Rachel. I'm a licensed therapist and certified coach. I make mental health skits and provide mental health information and tips. If that sounds like content that would be relevant to you, make sure to like and subscribe so you can be here for all the good stuff. In the series, I mentioned several common barriers to really feeling your emotions, and today I'm going to dig more into the first two: intellectualization and disconnection from the body. The most important thing to remember is that emotions involve the body. If they didn't, they would just be thoughts. Thoughts and emotions work together, they affect each other, but they are different things. If you want to get the definitions for feelings versus emotions, you can check this short series for that information. We live in a cognition heavy world. Our brains are constantly bombarded with stimulation and information, and we tend to overvalue logic and undervalue emotions, but they're designed to work together. We are not designed to be 100% logical all of the time. And if we get too cognition heavy, then we can come out of balance. We have to make the intentional choice to become more attuned to our bodies. And that requires slowing down, finding some presence, and being more curious about what's happening in our bodies. We can get so used to ignoring our body's signals, and to demonstrate that, we're going to do a little exercise. When you intentionally bring focus to it, how does your jaw feel? Is it clenched and tight? Do you need to stretch it out, open your mouth wide, wiggle your tongue around? What are the sensations there? When you intentionally bring focus to it, how does your lower back feel? Is it tight? Is it rounded? Is it hyperextended? Do you suddenly feel the need to stretch it out? When you intentionally bring focus to your chest and lungs, how do they feel? How's air moving through your body? Do you suddenly feel compelled to take a deeper breath? Would your body have to relax a little to accommodate that deeper breath? It's amazing what we notice when we start to pay attention. First, I want you to notice if during that exercise, your mind quieted a little bit. Generally, what we find is when we drop into our body, we're able to come out of some of the overthinking that feels so common to us now. You weren't thinking about the report that's due next week or the test that's coming up or whether someone's going to text you back. You were attuning to your body's needs and making a small effort to meet those. Connecting with your body can naturally quiet some of the busyness of the mind. Even a simple body check like we just did, noticing areas of tension, sensations you're having in your body, that can really normalize attuning to your body's cues. You can also start to notice things like, do I feel tired? Do I feel energized? Or does my body feel agitated, restless? If you want to have that experience more often of coming out of your head into your body, you're going to have to make the commitment to do so and bring that practice into your everyday life. I hope you found this helpful. Next time, I'm going to talk about more of those common barriers to feeling your emotions and how to start overcoming those. And then I'm going to get into some very practical tips and tricks for everyday application. I'll see you soon.